Hello students, I am Aniket Kirsch. Today in Value Education, we are going to start lesson 8, Achievers. So let's see. Alexander the Great had once said, I don't wait for opportunities, I create them. Opportunities knock on everyone's door. The determined people step further, they acquire opportunities themselves rather than waiting for them. So, according to Alexander, what he said that he don't wait for the opportunities, he create opportunities, right? So we should not wait for anything that this will happen, then I will take the action or I will do this. First, let me such things. Let the time come. Don't wait for anything. Just create the opportunity. Whatever you want to do, step further, right? Do proper action against or take these steps towards it, right? That's the what attitude of Alexander was. Once the great emperor Napoleon said that nothing is impossible in this world. He said impossible is the word found in the dictionary of fools, right? Once this Napoleon also is very famous. I hope you all know about the Napoleon, Alexander, and all this. So Napoleon, according to Napoleon, sometimes we say that this is not possible, this is impossible for me. So what Napoleon is saying, what is his attitude now? Impossible is the word which is found in the dictionary of the fools. Means you don't have the determination, we don't have the attitude, positive attitude that you can do such things. That's why you are saying that it is impossible. But nothing is impossible. That's why he is saying that impossible is the word found in the dictionary of fools. You sometimes you say that this is not possible for me, this is impossible, as you are saving, you are trying to save yourself, as you are thinking that you cannot do that, right? So that's why, but everything is possible. The way to success is full of hurdles. One has to remain firm and struggle against difficulties, achieve something. One can achieve success through a strong willpower, determination, and courage and perseverance. So these are the terms which should be your attitude. You should have a strong willpower that yes, I can do this. Strong determination, courage, perseverance, right? You should have consistency to achieve something, whatever you want. You are right. So this should be the attitude. Nelson, we are talking about Nelson Mandela, right? Nelson, the great British admiral, wanted to become a naval hero. Nelson. Okay. The great British admiral wanted to become a naval hero. His determination gave him the strength to fight against his ill health and rose to the top. He said, to think that something is impossible is to make it so. Right? As long as we think of achieving something, we will be able to do so. But once we lose confidence and utter, I can't, the chance of success becomes dim. Right? According to Nelson, he was a great British admiral. He wanted to become a naval hero. So his determination, his strength gave him to fight against his ill health. He was not good health wise. He was having some problem, physical problem or ill health. And then also he said to think that something is impossible to make it so. So never think that this something is impossible. It will if you will say this, you will automatically your thinking of achieving something will become what? You will lose something, right? You will lose confidence if you think like that it is impossible for me, I cannot do. If you will say I can't, so such things will develop in lose confidence in you, and you will definitely cannot achieve. The success or the probability of success will what? Decrease. So everything depends upon your thinking. What you are thinking? Your thinking is positive or not? Your attitude. Gangaram was a promising boy. One day he went to see his uncle who worked in the office of the chief engineer of the state. His uncle was not present there. Gangaram decided to wait for him for a while. He entered a room, he sat on a chair without knowing that the chair belongs to the chief engineer, who was an ill-tempered man. After some time, the chief engineer came into the room. Seeing Gangaram sitting on his chair, he got furious and burst out, "Who are you? How dare? How dare you to sit in my chair?" He caught him by the neck and threw him out from his office. At that moment, Gangaram felt insulted. He decided that one day he would become an engineer and sit in the same chair. He started working hard day and night to become a well-qualified engineer. At last, he achieved his goal and became one of the best engineers in India and sat on the same chair. He came to be known as Sir Gangaram because he achieved his plan with the firm determination. In the same way, if you are also having a determination, you are also having some goal, then you can also fix some kind of goal that whatever you want to become, whatever you want to achieve. So, suppose you want to become an engineer, doctor, or whatever, pilot, something. So be focused, work hard, research on it on the internet, right? So whatever, if you are having a strong determination, then definitely you will start working on it, and you will day and night you will work hard, and definitely you can have a mastery over it, the command over on such topics, and you can definitely in future you can achieve such things. So this, all these things are depends upon our attitude, our determination, and the plan we create, and how and when, whether we are implementing over those plans or not, right? We should be stick over that plan, whatever. As we know that we create timetables, and even though we are unable to follow that plan, right? We decide that we will just wake up at 5 a.m. and study 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening, but we don't study, we don't follow. We just say, okay, we will start it tomorrow. We postponed it, right? So if our attitude will be of such kind, then we cannot achieve anything. We should be stick. If you are creating a program, a plan or a timetable, you should follow that, right? Then only you can achieve. John Bunyan is one of the most famous and greatest writers in English. He wrote a book which is considered to be a masterpiece in English literature. He wrote this book when he was in prison. The jailer refused to give him paper to write on, but Bunyan was determined to write the book. So he wrote on the waste paper but never lost heart, right? One should create an opportunity rather than wait for it. Enthusiasm and firm determination help to carry out one's plan. Opportunities are all around. One has to clasp them with both hands. There's no space for lame excuses, right? So John Bunyan, he was he's one of the most famous poet, and even his masterpiece, whatever on his work, the masterpiece he has written that in prison, right? In a jail he has written. And the jailer refused to give him a paper, so he wrote it in waste papers, right? And created a masterpiece. So the time never waits for anybody, right? If there's an you cannot wait for the opportunity. You have to create an opportunity. You have to, if you are waiting for opportunity, then you will lose it. Time never comes. You have to create the opportunity, right? And if you'll see the opportunity around you. Okay, we can achieve our goals. We say we say the gates are never closed, right? You are in whatever situation you are having, you have to just see with your different eyes, so that you will be able to find the path, right? We can achieve our goals with determination and willpower. There was a time when it was thought that the man could not fly by any means, but Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright were determined to conquer the skies, and they achieved success by creating aeroplanes which could fly in the air like bird. Earlier, never nobody thought that the human beings can fly like a bird, right? It was not possible earlier times, right? But these two brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright, they what? They created aeroplane, and now we know that everybody can, fly in the sky. What is fate? It is in fact the fruit of someone's own effort. So we should always keep in mind that man creates or decides his own fate. Fate, destiny, right? We are the creator of our own fate, right? Whatever our attitude is, means don't depend upon the luck or the fate. This is in my destiny, so I am getting this only. Work hard. Everything is in our hand, right? How everything depends upon our attitude, our determination, our hard work, and then we will achieve whatever we want, right? So we are the creator of our own destiny or fate. Okay. So moral of this story is determination is the key to success. To achieve anything, the thing which is required in you is determination. So let's see the exercise now. So multiple choice questions. Let's see. Who said this word? Impossible is the word found in the dictionary of fools. Obviously, we have seen Napoleon said this, right? In the second paragraph, we have studied about the Napoleon. He said that impossible is the found in the dictionary of the fools. Ganga Ram made up his mind that one day he would become an engineer. When he saw the office of the chief engineer, he was insulted by the chief engineer. Obviously, when he went there to see the engineer, but when he was insulted by the chief engineer, he decided that one day he would become an engineer, right? Now, which of the following is used to achieve success? Which of the following? Wait, let me make it down. Okay, which of the following? Which of the following is used to achieve success? Cleverness, honesty, tactfulness, or determination? Obviously, determination is required in this chapter. We have seen the successful person did not wait for opportunity. They don't wait for the opportunity. They create opportunities, right? Now next, opportunities knocks on everyone's door, right? Yes, true. It's true. Opportunity knocks on everyone's door, but it depends upon us that whether we can find it and we can grab it or not. The jailer helped John Bunyan in writing the book named Pilgrim's Progress false. The jailer, even they were not helping, they were not giving him pages, right? He wrote on waste pages. It was his masterpiece, right? Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright decided to conquer the skies. True. They decided and they created aeroplane. Gangaram did not become the best engineer. False. He became the best engineer. He was one of the best engineers, right? Determination can help us achieve our goals. True. Right. So answer is true, false, true, false, true. Right. Now next. Answer the following questions. Why should we create opportunities? To achieve anything, we should create a proper plan, and on the basis of that, we can create opportunities. Don't wait for the time. Don't wait for the opportunities. Whatever we want to achieve, we can have a strong determination and we can start working. We can create a plan and work on it. What was the famous saying of Alexander the Great? What was the famous saying? So, Alexander the Great said that I don't wait for opportunities, I create them, right? I don't wait for opportunities, I create them. Okay? The famous saying of Alexander. What did Nelson, the great British admiral, want to become, and how did he achieve his goal? He wanted to become a naval officer, and he achieved it using by his strong determination and hard working, right? How was Gangaram able to become one of the best engineers in India? when he was insulted by the chief, when he went to his office and he was insulted by him, he at that moment he decided that one day I will sit on that chair, and he worked hard, and now he is one of the best engineer, right? Define fate. Fate is don't depend upon define fate, right? Fate is which we say it's a destiny, that's why it happened to me, but actually what is it? We can create it. It depends upon our hard work and all, right? What is the moral of this story? Determination, we have seen, right? Determination is required to success, right? Anything to achieve anything, determination is required. So all these things I'll send you the question answers of this chapter. Now next, fill in the blanks with correct word. Dash are all around us. Opportunities, we have seen, right? Opportunities are all around us. So the first one is this. Dash people step further. As long as you think you can achieve something, you will be able to do so, right? So this is 3, right? As long as you think you can achieve something, you will be able to do so. One has to dash a lot at every steps in one's life. One has to struggle a lot at every one steps in one's life. So this is 4. And that is the fruit of someone's own effort. Fate is the fruit of someone's own effort. So here this is 5th. Now which one is left? Dash people step further. Determined people step further, right? Like this you can do. So these are the answers of this fill in the blanks. Now next one is the activity. Impossible is the word found in the dictionaries of full comment. This comment was given by Napoleon, right? Impossible. The persons who are who are not having determination, who all are having a negative attitude, they generally say this is impossible, I cannot do this. So due to this, the negativity comes inside them, and they even don't work hard, and they don't achieve anything. So this is on this comment, define it and write something about it on this activity, right? This you have to do of your own. Okay then, thank you. I will send the question and answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.